Yo, welcome back everyone. I'm your host here, Jay, with Auto Ego. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Today we're going to be discussing the C8 Corvette news updates. Before we get into it, do drop a like, share, and subscribe. Never goes unnoticed and is always appreciated. First link down below is the link to my merch. Hit that, cop yourself something. If not, let's get into today's video topics. 2022 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 logo has been leaked. More prototypes have been spied testing up in the mountains, of course. Now the 2022 Z06 is rumored to be revealed this July 2021. Now here's a picture of the logo. I will put it up on the screen briefly and leak the article. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Have mercy. Take it off right now. Anyways, the logo looks fairly similar to the other ones that we've seen in the past. You know, it doesn't have much color like the previous logo with the red Z. So I don't understand where that's coming from. Hopefully it does change. Maybe this is just, you know, the emblem that they have at the moment. Maybe they'll add color and other things later as the process of production gets closer to date. So that's the Z06 logo. Of course, we all know it's going to be powered by a flat plane crank V8 that's going to rev to the mid 9,000 RPM, which is going to scream supercar. We all can't wait for that, so hopefully it comes fairly soon. Next, we have some fun news, and I will link the full video because he does race a bunch of other cool cars like the Charger, the Trackhawk, a 2013 GT500, and of course the 2020 GT500 drag races a stock C8 Corvette. GT500 has a 5.2 liter Predator engine with 760 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque, and the Corvette has 495 with a 6.2 liter LT2 V8 engine, and of course 470 pound-feet of torque because it is equipped with the performance exhaust and the Z51 package. Now the C8 Corvette does get, you know, destroyed or punished or whatever you want to call it, but of course the GT500 has a supercharger, way more horsepower, way more torque, a DCT transmission, and of course it is a Shelby. You never mess with those things when it comes to a straight line. Check out the full video like I mentioned, second link in the description down below. Let's move on. Let's continue with the fun news. You know, last but certainly not least, a Chevy Hypervette, I love that name by the way, becomes the ultimate C8 incarnation in ultra wide body render. Love the render. We'll link that article. Third link in the description down below if you want to check out all the photos, a total of 29, and it really does look epic, especially the rear. That's honestly my favorite part of the vehicle and of the render. The wide body makes it look extra mean, that giant spoiler, everything just looks absolutely brilliant. I wish this will be the ZR1 and how it's going to look, because if it does, that is one mean looking Corvette. Looks epic from the rear to the front to the side profiles. It is a wide body come to fruition. That is it for the video. If you did enjoy, please drop a like, share, and subscribe. Goes much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Be safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.